Good evening, folks. Today we're out at the Katy Trail. It's August 15th, so 2 months in a day in advance of the Des Moines Marathon. I did 12 miles yesterday at 7:07 pace. Today we're going to go from the Katy Trail, the Holt Summit spur out here to around the Missouri State Capitol and back. So that's our plan, get about 7 miles in that way. Catch you guys on the other side. Thanks. In order to get to the state capitol from the Katy Trail, you got to turn off at the North Jefferson Trailhead and start heading south. So in my case, I was coming from the east, so we made a left-hand turn, and now we're headed south towards Capitol. Head under the 63 overpass. When we get to the next street, just past these ball fields, we'll be about a mile in, and we'll make a right. As you run these switchbacks, your GPS watch is always going to mess up a little bit. So take everything with a grain of salt in that mile. End of the bridge will put us about 2.5 miles into our journey. Then we'll make a left and we'll head straight towards the Capitol building. Catch you at the building. So on the far side of the Capitol, we're at about 3.4 and some change. So just under 7 miles for the total for this run and go all the way back. Some great views up there. Now we're working our way back. Just a little over 6 miles in now. To give an idea of how the switchbacks mess up the GPS. We've been right around 7:10 the whole way, except the 2 switchback laps. Told me 7:30, 7:49. We went the same pace the whole way. A little GPS there on those switchbacks. Working our way just under half a mile up. Well, around half a mile up. So just finished up. We ended up at about 6.75 miles. Without GPS there, probably right around 7:10 pace. Yesterday we were at 7:07 on our 12 mile. Just a little bit slower than that. That was the plan today. Hopefully you enjoyed the trip to the Missouri State Capitol from the Katy Trail as we prepare for the Des Moines Marathon. Thank you. Have a great day.